You search for how to buy shares of Kainos Group plc, a digital technology and software services company listed on LSE plc under the ticker KNOS.L. This is an educational video and not financial advice. Verify all information before investing. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a valid ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker KNOS.L to locate the Kainos listing. Make sure you select the correct result that shows Kainos Group plc on the London market. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart. Review these details to confirm this is the correct Kainos share. Check the market and listing information to ensure accuracy. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order. Confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the platform may queue the order or offer a limit order, and if you lack funds, you will be prompted to add them before confirmation. After the order executes, your Kainos position will appear in your portfolio. For the link to eToro and more details, check the description below.